couple guys from the audience asked me to do a video in English, so here's the first try. It is what it is, but check it out. Here we are at the oil sands, driving next 25 to 30 minutes to get into the delivery point. Yeah, huge areas over here. And of course, this tells something about the size of the area. They got their own airport over here. And then some gravel or, well, mud road at the moment. Yeah, the clean truck after this is just a dream. And the road condition is not that bad. You can still do 70k over here. And then we turn the final stretch. This is maybe 500 meters for this road, and then we are at the assembly point of the shovels that they are building over here. Oh, these nice muddy puddles over here. Like I said, the clean truck will be a really decent trim. Uh, And here's the assembly point. Those kind of rope shovels, they are assembling over here. And yeah, I guess this is unit number 2. Pretty massive ones. Not the biggest, but definitely massive. All right, the guys helped me to get the straps off and unloading the 4 crates with the zoom boom. Just picking up the last one, so I'm pretty much ready to go after that. Off we go. About an hour drive to next customer. Next customer to pick up the load. Pretty lucky to get load southbound from Fort McMurray or the oil sands. There goes the crate. Off we go. Yeah, it's pretty much 10-minute unloading over here. I like it. So it definitely takes longer to drive to the site and back to the main gate than getting unloaded, but hey, that's trucking. Yep. Wet roads, rinse the truck just a little bit. Not much, but yeah, a bit. Oh boy.